Is today the big day?
Yep, today I'm hanging out with Auntie Linda again after she left me in New York, but I'm kind of nervous.
Isn't this fancy?
Totally. Auntie sent a limo just for me, and the driver told me she's waiting for me at the airport. I'm so excited now.
That guy ended up leaving me for another girl in New York, and I'm so sorry for ditching you for that loser baby girl. We're going to the Bahamas to make it up to you.
What you thinking about?
Karma is real. Auntie left me, and then she got left too, but I guess I'll give her a second chance.
What do you think of the ocean?
This water feels so good, and these piggies are so cute. I could literally stay here all day long.
Where'd you get that dress and the diamonds?
Auntie Linda gave them to me for today's outfit. I think she really wants to make things better between us.
Any good gossip?
Auntie Linda told me that she paid for Uncle Nick's apartment after his divorce, so he shouldn't be talking about her behind her back.
How was your reunion with Auntie Linda?
Today was amazing. The gifts and gossip were great, and I had really missed her.